And now, it's time for America's favorite psychopaths, Sergeant Grinder'S Suicide Squad. In the last installment of the recently declassified Grinder files, we revealed how Sergeant Grinder and his squad purloined a nun's habit to disguise the man in their charge, British Prime Minister Neville Chamberlain. Now, they needed to rendezvous with their contact, an agent of the anti-Nazi underground.
This must be the town. What's all this bullshit bunting in the main street?
It reads, "Welcome, Führer. The town of Grossfuhrersdorf hails your effort to drain the swamp."
Huh. Must have a mosquito problem in the local marshes. Okay, here's the Hornkeller Inn. Green, go take a look through that window. See what's in there.
Sure, Sarge. Sarge, we got a problem.
What? SS? Gestapo?
Sure, Sarge, there's plenty of them, but there's also...
Mein Gott! More Reich Postman in Austrian Lederhosen. What is this? A postal workers' convention in our little village? And on the same day as the Führer comes. Come in, join the celebrations.
You heard what he said.
Come in.
What? More postmen in Lederhosen? This is very strange.
Yeah, it was swimming instructors the other day. Oh, well, that's the Reich for you.
You're right, Green. This place is crawling with krauts in goddamn Lederhosen.
Yeah, and they've all got green hats, and every hat's got a feather in it. How are we gonna find our contact?
Have to try 'em one by one. You go sit in the corner, chamber pot, dressed in all that nun's get-up. We don't want some fascist fancy man taking you for a Nazi nymphomaniac.
But I'm a nun.
All the more tempting for some of these jackbooted Johnny-come-latelys. Right, the rest of you men, come with me. We'll start with these punsy-looking guys over here. Hey, Fritz. The beer here is Wunderbar, but in Innsbruck it's better.
If you say so, old chap.
Well, it's not him. Right, let's try this guy over here. Hey, Herman, the beer here is good, but in Innsbruck...
Yeah, I know. And the Bratwurst and Jägerschnitzel are good too. Sergeant Grinder, you and your men must come with me now. The Führer's armed column will be in the village at any moment.
Why is the Führer coming here?
Well, this was a very beer hall where the Nazi party was formed back in 1919. He comes here every year on the anniversary to make a speech. I believe he's staying the night here on his way back from the castle Grafskinner.
Jesus Christ, why in the name of God did you bring us here if Hitler's on his way?
Well, the beer is so good.
The beer? Are you even old enough to drink it? With a voice that high, I doubt your balls have dropped yet.
This is a disguise, Sergeant Grinder. I'm not a boy, I'm a woman.
Sarge, there are lights pulling up outside. Lots of them.
Mein Gott, the Führer is here. We have to leave immediately.
Just a minute. You're speaking English. And what's worse, American English. Who are you, and what are you doing here?
We're German postmen dressed up as mountaineers.
That's what we are.
Huh, that's some coincidence.
Yes, it's about as likely as Hitler shooting himself in the head. So who are you really?
We're American commandos.
Surely it's pronounced commandos.
Commandos on a secret mission. What about you?
We are a British commando squad, King's Grenadier Guards, also on a secret mission.
We are dressed as Bavarian postmen because our intelligence experts in London concluded that was the best disguise for our mission.
Oh my God.
Which is?
To penetrate the castle Grafskinner and rescue Neville Chamberlain.
Huh. Well, you're too late, pal. We've done the penetrating for you. That skinny bastard in the corner's your PM.
What, the nun? You have the Prime Minister of Great Britain dressed as a woman?
He doesn't seem to mind. He says it reminds him of his days at Cambridge in the Young Conservatives.
Are you implying that members of the Young Conservatives practice cross-dressing?
Oh, yes. It's true, isn't it?
Certainly not. A bit of innocent sexual experimentation from time to time, perhaps, I grant you, but cross-dressing, never!
Listen, we have to go. Hitler will be here at any moment.
My very thoughts. Now, if you'll just release the Prime Minister into our care, we'll be on our way.
Hold up, you limey lightweight. Chamber pot's in our care, and that's how it's staying.
Just who are you calling a lightweight, you yammering yank? Hand over Chamberlain now, or there'll be more than just a souring of international relations.
Why, you snotty-nosed inbred ingrate.
Sergeant McEmery?
Yes, sir.
Sergeant McEmery, would you kindly educate this colonial about why he should not insult a British officer?
Okay, sir. Now you listen to me, you stupid septic Sassenach. If you didn't back off, I'll clear your colon with McEmery. I'd have your scrotum for a sporran, but I doubt I'd get much in it. Oh, yeah?
Come on, boys. The Sarge needs some backup.
My God, this is the best punch-up I've ever seen between rival groups of postmen. Just wait till the Führer sees it. He will recruit them for sure into the SS.
Sergeant, if we don't leave now, we'll be target practice for the Gestapo.
Okay, keep your shirt on. This ought to do it. Hey, take this, you limey leeches!
Oh, my God, a hand grenade. Why, that's simply not cricket.
Hit the deck, boys! Well, you did say you were a bunch of grenadiers. Right, men, let's move out. As God is my witness, I swear on the sacred name of Clan McEmery that I will track you down, whoever you are, wherever you go, and I will have vengeance.
Has Grit irreversibly damaged Anglo-American relations? Who is the mysterious agent? And will Grit work out that she's really a woman? Or will he have to wait for the mission to go tits up before that secret is revealed? And will Grit's new nemesis reappear in subsequent episodes? Find out in the next explosive episode of Sergeant Grit Grinder's Suicide Squad. Grit Grinder's Suicide Squad was a miracle production. Remember, folks, if it's good, it's a miracle.